Why does it feel like it's only you? Like no matter how hard you try, you still fail again and again. And now people have started noticing, not your effort, not your struggle, only your failure. They judge you, they talk about you, some laugh, and some just avoid you. Slowly, people disappear, and now it feels like you have no one to talk to, no one who understands you. So you stay quiet and keep everything inside, and every day it gets heavier. You look at others and they are moving forward, they're improving, they're winning, and you feel stuck, left behind, like life is moving but you're not. And this question keeps coming back. Why only me? Why do I keep failing? After a point, it stops feeling like bad luck. It starts feeling like maybe you're not good enough. But listen carefully, you're not broken. You just started believing that your failure is who you are. There's a difference between failing and becoming a failure. And right now, you've mixed the two, and that's what's hurting you. Because when you believe you are the failure, you stop trying properly. You start hiding. You expect things to go wrong, and slowly, you create the same result again. Not because you can't do better, but because you stopped believing you can. And those people, the ones judging you and avoiding you, they're not living your life. They don't feel your pressure. They don't carry your pain. So why let their opinion decide your future? Right now, it feels like you've lost everything: respect, confidence, people. But this moment, this is where real change starts. Not when everything is easy, but when nothing is. Because now you have nothing to prove and nothing to protect. This is your chance to rebuild, slowly and quietly, with no announcements, no pressure, just progress. You don't need a big comeback today. Just stop going backwards. Fix one thing, one habit, one skill, and repeat it every single day.